Hello everyone, welcome to this video series. We have started working on Lab 07, Manage Azure Storage, and we have already completed provisioning the lab environment. Then we created and configured the Azure Storage account. We even created a blob, created a container, uploaded a blob file, a blob to that container. Then in the last video, we managed the authentication and authorization. We used the SAS keys, and we also looked at how to manage authorization and authentication using Azure AD. In this video, we're going to look at create and configure an Azure file share. So let's do that. Go to section 5. So right here is the section. So in this section, you will create Azure file share. So it's saying before you start that, verify the virtual machine you provision in the first task of the lab is running. In the Azure portal, navigate back to the blade of storage account, the first task of this lab, and in the file service section, click file share. So it's going to go to the storage account that we already created. So let's go home and let's look at the storage account that we have. And this is the storage account that we have created at the beginning part of the lab. So what is it saying? In the file service section, click file server. Okay, file service section. In the file service section, we want to create file share. Okay, so that's what I have selected, that blade. There's no files here that we have currently, and so we're gonna create a files here with this name. So let's click on that one. Now that's the name of the files here, and quota is 1024 gigabytes. Okay, so that's the files here, and I'm just gonna click the newly created files here and click on connect. So I can click on that one, and let's see if there's a connect button anywhere. Here's my connect button. So connect. So here it says something. Let's just go back over here. On the connect blade, ensure the Windows tab is selected and click copy to clipboard. Interesting. Copy to clipboard. Okay, Windows tab is selected, and then copy to clipboard is probably, this is what they're trying to say. And I'm going to copy that one and put it over here in some place. Okay, let's go back to the lab, make sure that we are doing it right. So newly created files here and click on connect. So we created that one, that was the only connect. We did that for Windows. This is what we did. And secure transfer required is enabled for the storage account. SMB client must support 3.0 encryption to connect. Click here to learn more. So we got what we needed. In the Azure portal, search for and select the virtual machine and find that virtual. Okay, so this one you can directly search for virtual machine. You don't have to go to virtual machine itself. From here directly you can look for the virtual machine, and if it's running, it should show up here. There we go. And we want to make sure that it's running and available to us, and it is running. On the VM blade, in the operation section, click run command. So here on the operation sections, here are my operation sections. Here there should be a run command blade. So right now I'm in the run command blade. Then on the run command blade, click run PowerShell script. So here run PowerShell script is the very first one, so you click on that one, and PowerShell on the run command script blade, paste the script you copied. So I think I still have it copied, so let's I do not have it copied. So let's go back, get it back and put it over here, and now run this one. Okay, so it's running. So let's go back to the lab. Click run command. On the run command, click PowerShell script. On the run command, place the script, and so up to this much we are done. Verify the script completed successfully. So let's see, I don't have any output yet, so how do I verify? Replace the content of the PowerShell script pane with the following script and run. Okay, so this one I need to know. It says script execution is progress, so let's just give it a second. Once it's done, we want to verify that the script is okay. It's done, looks like, and it says command key credentials added successfully, so this is a success and everything should be good. It's added as a Z drive, and this is my file system, and that's what it's added. So replace the content of the PowerShell script with this path. So let's do this. Replace this content with the new content from the lab, and then I think it's gonna ask you to run again, so I'm gonna run it again. Script execution is progress one more time, and once that's done, what we'll do, this is done, we'll go back to the file share blade and click on refresh and verify that folder appears in the list of folders. Okay, so we'll do that in a second as soon as this is done. Just give it a second. Okay, so this is done. Let's just verify so that all looks good. So once that's done, it said navigate back to that file share. So navigate back to the file share, that means navigate back to AZ share file share blade, AZ share file share blade. So let's see, where do we find that? Let's go to our home, go to storage accounts, go to the storage, go to file share. Where is it? The bottom. Here's the file share. Under this is the file share blade where we wanted to go, and this is now available as a folder. So this is what they wanted to make sure that this is available. Verify that folder appears in the list of folders. Click that folder and verify AZ1040 text file appears in the list of files. So we already clicked on there, and this file is available. So we have successfully completed this lab. This is a real cool lab where we have created Azure file share, then we have attached the file share to the virtual machine, and we have done that using a very nice feature from the Cloud Shell, from the Azure portal, where we were able to run the PowerShell command and be able to attach that drive to this VM. So that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. In the next one, in the last one in this series, we will manage the network access for the Azure storage. So thank you for watching. Good luck for the exam.